Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna cook an authentic southern Italian dish. It's pasta alla Puttanesca. So, where does this name come from? Well, puttana in Italian means prostitute, so it is said that the prostitutes of Naples and other cities in southern Italy kind of invented this dish. And they used all the, typical ingredients from the region. Here are the main ingredients. Capers with some of the brine, I'm going to use quite a lot. Black olives, also quite a lot, because I love capers and olives. Achovies, salted fish. Here we got peeled tomatoes and their juice. I'm not sure if I'm going to use everything. Plus a couple of garlic cloves and 2 red chilies. As a pasta, I'm going to use spaghetti. You can use other pastas like vermicelli or linguine, but I got spaghetti in my kitchen, so that is why. Just a few more preparations, like slicing the chili and the garlic cloves. Just smash them and slice them kind of rough. Now in a hot wok with an abundant amount of olive oil, I'm going to put the anchovies in there. They are a little dry. Also garlic. Keep stirring garlic so that it doesn't burn. Some of the tomatoes. Most of the tomatoes and their juice. Put the heat a little more high. Yeah, red chilies go in there. Plus black pepper. I love black pepper. Using quite a lot as always. And also oregano. Oregano and tomatoes are a perfect match. It's time to put the spaghetti straight away. And last but not least, I'm going to put the capers in with the brine plus the black olives. A little bit of pasta water with the sauce. Spaghetti is boiling for 6 minutes already now, so try. Almost al dente. The sauce is ready, the spaghetti is ready, and that means blending the spaghetti with the sauce. Beautiful, thick, concentrated sauce this has become. I'm gonna build my plate of pasta alla Puttanesca. So here I got some spaghetti on a fork. With the sauce. Well, a little bit of sauce. A little bit more spaghetti. And lots of sauce. Capers, olives. Got everything in here. Red chilies. I think this is a nice combination of colors. Some capers on top. Those are the maritime flavors. That is the sea that you taste in here. The Mediterranean Sea. That is. Beautiful sauce for spaghetti. Or any other pasta for that matter. I really love the black olives with pasta. Also in stews. The red chilies give some spice to the dish. And not too much really. No. I think all the flavors are really integrated. Of course, the tomato gives nice acidity. Trying to get some sauce on my fork with the spaghetti. And by the way, I'm drinking some wine with this pasta alla Puttanesca. Not Italian wine, because I don't have Italian white wine at the moment on my wine rack, but it's Portuguese. Basically my house wine, so this goes very well with seafood and also with these kind of dishes. So nice. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep enjoying your food like I do.